this video till the end to see how I achieved this cookies and cream, strawberry, vanilla and chocolate ice cream with just simple ingredients. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making homemade ice cream with just 3 ingredients. The base, we're going to be using it to make other types of flavors. So let's get right into today's video. If you are new here, my name is Titi Lion. On this channel I share cake recipes, drinks, pastries, desserts, business ideas and business conversations that you can start from the comfort of your home. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and if you are an OG, thank you. So let's get right into today's video. I have here liquid whipping cream, I have condensed milk, I have vanilla flavor. So that's what we're going to be using for the vanilla ice cream. These 3 for vanilla ice cream. Now when we make the base, we're not going to use strawberry sauce, color and also strawberry flavor to make the strawberry flavor. Then we'll do other ones. So let's get right into it. So I have my liquid whipping cream here. I'm going to whip it till I achieve a stiff peak, and then I'll add the condensed milk. So this recipe is super fast, easy to recreate, so you do not have any excuse. Create this for your family, for your children, over the weekend, over the holidays. So here we go. If you have hand mixer, you can use that to achieve your stiff peak. So that one is quite fast. Now I'm going to be adding the condensed milk. This is the consistency of the whipped cream, and it didn't take long to get to whip up to this point. If you over whip it, you are going to have butter, so you avoid that. Avoid over mixing it. You need to be careful at this point when you add the condensed milk. Do not over mix. Just fold it in. Fold in the condensed milk into your whipped whipping cream. So just do this carefully till everything is well incorporated. So you don't want to over mix because you've already added air into your whipped cream and you want to maintain that air that you've added. So just mix it carefully, gently, incorporate everything. You can even add the flavor or anything you want to add before you mix everything. Now I'm going to be portioning this into 2 so that I'll make vanilla and strawberry. So I'm just going to be eyeballing it. So here I have my vanilla flavor. For the strawberry, I have strawberry flavor. I'm going to be adding that. I have red food color. I'll use a few drops. And this is totally optional. This is strawberry sauce. If you have it, you can use it, and if you don't have it, that's totally fine as well. So I did not mix this completely because I want it to give me these lines of colors of pink color, sort of. Now I have 2 non-stick pans here that I'm going to be pouring the ice cream into. After this, I'll wrap it with cling film and then pop it in the freezer. Now I have 2 flavors of ice cream here, vanilla and strawberry. I'm going to be wrapping them with cling film individually, making sure that the cling film touches the top of the ice cream. Here you go. So I'm going to pop this into the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. Welcome back. Now let's make the chocolate variant and the Oreo cookies and cream variant. Just like the other one, I have whipping cream 500 ml. I'm going to be pouring it here. I have condensed milk, I have cocoa powder, butterscotch flavor and crushed Oreo. So I'll be whipping this up till I achieve a stiff peak. Also use a mixer, stand mixer or a hand mixer. Now I'm going to be adding the condensed milk. going to be adding the flavor. Since we are using the same flavor for the two of them, that's butterscotch. You can also use coffee, matcha, and they mix together. I prefer to use sparkle. Fold it in. It smells so good. Oh my god. So I will divide it into two. Let's make Oreo cookie for this one. Cocoa powder for this. You can also use melted chocolate for this. Sorry, that one works. I'm going to be pouring the two inside one pan. Let's see how that goes. These are Oreo cookies and chocolate ice cream. I'm going to do the same thing. Cover it with cling film, make sure it's touching the ice cream, and then pop it into the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. Now our ice cream are out of the freezer. Look at that. So this is vanilla ice cream. This is strawberry, so cold. And finally, this is the Oreo cookies and the chocolates. Ouch, that's so cold. So I'm gonna scoop them now, put them in this bowl, give them a taste, and let you know the feedback. Of course, it's gonna bang. So I would really love you to try out this recipe, and then you give me your feedback in the comments. And also, when you try it out, you can tag them on my socials at Most Cakery, all over the socials: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Most Cakery. Let's go. Now it's time to scoop. Starting off with the vanilla, it's still very hard, so that's why it's looking like this. And then the strawberry also. I like those stripe of red color, and then my compote, that's the strawberry compote. I like the feel inside the strawberry ice cream, and it tastes really nice. Then the cookies and cream, I love this one. The ice cream is already a bit soft before I started scooping this one. And then the chocolate so scooped so well. Look at that, beautiful. It's not just beautiful anyway, it tastes really nice. I love all of them, but I still prefer the strawberry. Now this is the vanilla ice cream, and look at that. It's very stable as well, and it tastes so good. Let me taste the strawberry. I always have a bias for strawberry, and this is good. Cookies and cream, so good. I'm not a fan. Lastly, chocolates. All of them taste so nice. This recipe is something that you can whip up for your family. You can even use it to start a business. Everything you need is right there in your kitchen. Once you have a freezer, you are good to go. Enter the store, get the ingredients, try it out, and let me know how it tastes. I can assure you it tastes really nice. I can't wait to finish this video and dig into this ice cream. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titilayo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course share it with your family and friends.